Hey guys, it's Holly and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my January beauty favorites. Now for those of you who follow along on my blog, hollyhobbek.com, you may know this is already a series over there where I share with you some pictures and descriptions of my favorite beauty products of the month. Now I got to thinking and I figured that it would actually be better if I included a video on these posts too. So this is going to be the first one they've ever done, but I really want to take a chance to share with you guys some of my favorite beauty products from January. I get a lot of opportunity through this line of work to test a bunch of different beauty products, and I want to make sure that you guys know what's out there that you should be trying, what's worth it, and also what is not worth your money and that you should just not buy. So anyways guys, 5 products today that I absolutely am loving and that I think you guys will really love too. So to start out, I'm gonna show you guys this Derma E anti-wrinkle cleanser. Now I got this a few months back from Derma E, and that was just like a PR sample. They sent me this and then an exfoliator. Now I'm sharing this in my January beauty favorites because I really love this cleanser. It is very lightweight, and sometimes I've tried cleansers where they're just a bit too thick for my skin. They almost feel like a little bit like milky, or like there's just something about them that I just don't love. Now this I like because it comes out like soap, no like micro beads or whatever those things are. It's just literally like soap that comes out. It's very thin, cruelty-free, GMO-free, gluten-free, soy-free, recyclable, wind energy certificates. I don't know. So there's a lot of good things on the back of the bottle about it. They're an ethical beauty, but really the reason that I like it is just because it's a very light cleanser. It's great for getting your makeup off, and it's also anti-wrinkle. Now I'm 21 years old, so can't really tell you how much I think it's helping right now just because I don't have a ton of wrinkles, so I don't know if it's really, you know, making this vast improvement on my skin yet, but I am very interested in any product that claims that it helps with wrinkles because I'm all about preventative care for your skin. So definitely love this cleanser. If nothing else, very lightweight cleanser. I think it's really good. I have kind of sensitive skin sometimes, and I really like this. It's not heavily scented or anything like that. Very comfortable for my skin. Second product, guys, is another skincare product. This one is an exfoliating treatment, and oh jeez. And this one is Kate Somerville Exfoliate, and this actually came in my winter FabFitFun box, and I really love this. This is just a sample size, as you can see. I don't really think of it as a sample size, but it's a smaller size. I'm pretty sure they come in bigger bottles too, and basically it's just an exfoliator. I leave it on for a few minutes as a mask, and then I wash it off. Use it like once a week, once or twice you can use it. And it just smells so good. It's so fresh. It has just like cinnamon scent to it, which I really like, and it's just a great exfoliator. I'll show you guys. It's actually green. I don't know why, but it just comes out like, it's just really nice. It like comes out, and this is what it looks like on your skin. So I just put it on as like a little mask, and then as soon as it starts to tingle, which is after a few minutes, then I will take it off. I'm just gonna leave that on for now. That probably wasn't the best idea, but but yeah, so that's what the mask looks like, and it's just like really nice. Like, it's the perfect, it actually exfoliates. I've had some exfoliators in the past where I can't really feel it. It's not like rough enough. And I don't think it's too rough that it will like hurt sensitive skin or irritate it in any way, but it's really nice, and it smells like really fresh and really natural, which I really like. Another skincare product, guys. I feel like this month is all about skincare products, but I am loving this Clinique Moisture Surge hydrator. So this, I actually worked with Clinique this month and partnered with them for an Instagram post promoting this product, but this is not sponsored for this video. This is just total love for this product. I've tried a lot of different moisturizers, and I have skin that if I put on too heavy of a moisturizer, I'm going to break out. Definitely. Especially down here, you know, hormonal acne, it's not fun. But I really like this Clinique Moisture Surge because it's very lightweight, but it still gets the job done. And especially during this time of the year in the winter, I live in New York, I absolutely need it. Gosh, I feel like I have something stuck in my throat. But yeah, so I really like this, and you can see this is what it looks like. It's just like it's very thin. It's also great as a primer, so if you put it on right before you put on makeup, it's not heavy, it's not greasy at all. And this is what I have been using to moisturize like right before I put my makeup on in the morning, and it is really nice. So yeah, love that. Then another skincare product that I love, this is the fourth one. If you can't tell, I've been focused on skincare this month, but this is the e.l.f. Recharging Magnetic Mask Kit. They also sent this to me, and I will show y'all what it looks like. This is cool though. It's actually a magnetic mask. The mask is magnetic. So I'm not sure, it might be difficult to show you guys what it looks like. I did post on my stories a video of me using this mask. Oh shoot, I already made a mess. This is what it looks like, and I should not have done that. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's already sticking all over this thing. So I've already been making a huge mess here with this because now I can't get the magnetic mask off of the magnetic tool to take it off of your face. Well, I might as well show you guys what happens. So basically, you put the mask on your skin like this, and you let it sit there. And like I mentioned, I did do a video of this on my story on Instagram, so go over there to check it out. It's still under one of my highlights, under my beauty highlight. But then you just go like this, and you take this little wand, and it literally sucks up the entire mask. It's all on there now. It's really cool. I've never seen anything like it. I was like totally shocked when they sent me this, and I was just like, what is this? I had no idea at all, but it's really, really cool. It feels really good on your skin, antioxidant enriched, and I just love how easy it is to take the mask off. You don't need to use water. I just literally take it off with the magnetic tool, and then as soon as you have it off, all you have to do is, I just pat my face down with a towel just to get the few areas where the mask might not have come off, but you need no water whatsoever, which is really, really nice. Also guys, I just made a really big mess with this mask and also the other one, Kate Somerville. So I'm gonna go pause this video for a second and clean this mess up, and then I will show you guys. The last thing on my January Beauty's favorite list is this sugar lip kit that my mom got me for Christmas. Now, I have talked about the Fresh brand's sugar lip colors a million times on my blog. I always link it. Every single gift guide that I do pretty much for women always has one of these lip balms in it, and it is because it is so good. I'm not sponsored by them in any way, shape, or form, although they probably should hire me at this point for how much I brag about their product and tell people to get it. I feel like I could be a salesperson for them at this point, but it is so amazing. So I got, there's one missing right now, and I actually don't remember it right now, but I have all these colors still. And basically what I love about this brand and these lip balms is that they really moisturize your lips so much. I mean, they're a little bit on the pricier side. I think like for a full-sized lip balm, it's like 20, 22, around that range. Now this is a lip suite, so they're all smaller versions of them, and I got one of each color. So I don't know how much this was because I got it as a gift, but just any kind of fresh sugar lips, that brand lip balms that you can get your hands on are absolutely worth it. Absolutely worth the price. I'm not somebody who likes to spend a lot of money on beauty products. I'm always going the budget route. I don't like high-end beauty a lot of times. This is something that is worth spending your money on. And I'm going to show you guys just what a few of the colors look like, just because they're so pretty and they're really tinted. I mean, they look like lipstick, but they go on like lip balm. They're not matte at all. They're just really nice colors. That's what that looks like, that color. And I will do a little show for you guys. That's how it goes on. So it's not like a lipstick where it's super thick. It's really a nice mix. It really is a tinted lip balm, and I love it because this is great to put on. This is another one that I like. This is great to put on when you don't feel like putting on lipstick. You didn't do a full face of makeup, but you want a little bit of color. So these are my favorite. Even when I'm not wearing makeup, I'll put these on just to look a little bit more put together before I leave the house if I'm running around like that. So anyways, those are my 5 January beauty favorites. To give y'all a recap: Derma E cleanser, super light. Kate Somerville exfoliator, really good. Leave it on as a mask for a few minutes, exfoliate to wash it off, very good. We also have the Clinique Moisture Surge super lightweight moisturizer, which is great for this time of year. Then we have the e.l.f. Magnetic Mask, of course, which I made a mess of, but is really nice, and it really is like not a messy mask in general if I had to put it like all over my hands, because you can take it off with that magnetic applicator and you don't need to use water, which is amazing. And then of course these fresh sugar lip balms that are tinted. Amazing stuff, guys. These are things that I'm using a lot, like on a weekly basis, if not more. Like the cleanser and the moisturizer I'm using on a daily basis. And the masks I'm using on a weekly basis, if not a few more times, because I love doing masks. And of course the lip balms pretty much every day. So yeah, all really good products. Let me know in the comments, guys, what do you guys like? Have you found anything amazing? Is there anything I should try out for February beauty favorites? Let me know. I am a beauty junkie. I'm always looking to try out new things. So like I said, leave your comments below for what I should try, and I'll absolutely run out and go grab them and let you guys know what I think, either via my Instagram stories, I'm at Holly Habeck, or maybe it'll show up in next month's beauty favorites. Who knows? If it's really good, you just might see it there as well. But until then, guys, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I absolutely appreciate that. I really hope that you did like it, since this is the first one that I have made for this series. I do the series on the blog, but I'm also adding in videos now to give you guys a little bit more in-depth reviews. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm really focusing in on beauty. I'm going to be doing a lot more tutorials and product reviews, and I'm also doing a lot of traveling, guys. So if you like travel and you want to see where I'm going, and you like vlogs, I'm going to be doing a lot of that too. So I hope you love it. I hope you'll come along with me. And until then, oh my gosh, my cat, come here. Come here. Okay, bye. Maybe not. We're not the best of friends. But anyways, guys, subscribe, follow along with me, comment below. I'll get back to you guys and let you know what I think. And until then, I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, guys.